Mikey Pipes. Today is Tuesday, August 24th, 2021, and I just landed in Charlotte, North Carolina. And what a perfect day, because it is a balls hot 93 degrees. I'm waiting for the gentleman to pick me up from Lexington, South Carolina. I'm going to meet him and his team. He's got a fairly large plumbing outfit, and I'm looking forward to expand down south. Been talking about it for a while, and actions speak louder than words. But nonetheless, this is a job we did earlier today at a school in Cedarhurst, New York, on Long Island. Me and the other Mike banged it out. Started around 8:30. They sent us the wrong thing, I thought at first. The wrong size. They did send the wrong size, but whatever. We made it work, and we confirmed with the engineer who designed the replacement that this is what we had to put in. We had to change some piping around, but I think you'll enjoy it. It's a real quick little video. Make sure you thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. We're almost at 20,000 subscribers, and we're gonna have an awesome giveaway. We have a corporate sponsor who's donating the money and the tools for it. We'll have some Milwaukee gear and tools. You're not gonna wanna miss it, and it's literally just days away. All right, let's go. Excelente. All right, let's go check out this 2.5-inch wildebeest. Let's go check out this wildebeest. Hey, it's the other Mike, and it's nice and cold in here because they turned on the air conditioning. Oh my God, look at this wildebeest. Oh. What's this?
This is the...
This is really this? This is really what it is? Huh. Okay. It's totally different. Right?
Double detector. I mean, double check.
Reduced pressure zone assembly. All right, we are making progress here. There is my 3-inch right there. I'm gonna clean that up. I sweat out the fitting, which is right there. Here is the other side. I sweat out that as well. And the engineer confirmed that this is what we're installing. Just like that. This is in, that's out, so my direction of flow is from left to right. And this is what was approved for this application. The 3-inch, 3-inch L, 2 3-inch OSY flanges in brass, 2 couplings, 2 male adapters, and these 2 elbows if needed. I would like you guys to take a wild guess what the cost of that and this length of pipe was, and tell me if you think it is more money or less than this. This also ridiculously expensive, but we're gonna get it done today. We're gonna get it done. Wow. There's the first joint. Yeah, it looks good. I think it looks good, Mike.
Good.
That's still straight. Good. How'd she feel?
She says she feels okay. You know, she looks run down, she looks tired. But she seems to have good spirits.
All right, now we'll take a. We have a measurement, don't we? Oh, from face. We have measurement from face to face. Let's measure that up again and see what we got. Almost 15, maybe 15 and a half. A little bit of play in this pipe. Let's see how much play we have in this.
We're dead
Not
on
really that
16.
much. Yeah?
Yeah.
So I would say 15 and a half. A little bit of wiggle room. Okay. All right. Closed. New 3-inch and male adapter. New 3-inch male adapter. Brass flange. Let's turn the water on and see if I have any leaks. What do you think, Mikey?
No leaks.
No leaks. Why doesn't this want to open?
That drink hose?
Which one?
1 inch.
Oh. Well, we can flush things out for right now. With that open. Here's something bubbling. Or is it my imagination? So far, so good. Next, we're going to pressurize the backflow prevention device. She is under pressure. Let's crack this one open a little bit. Let's open up everything. Okay, back it out a little bit. Open this one up. Back it out. We have an outside hose faucet right there. She is running. Let's close the outside hose faucet. And that's all she wrote, folks. All right, so finished up that job as engineered. It was designed, that replacement, by an engineer. Put that in, made some modifications to the piping. There was a 2.5 inch backflow there, but my water main was 3 inch, so hence the reason to upgrade the piping 3 inch to accommodate that. I don't know why they put a 2.5 inch in there to begin with, but nonetheless, it is what it is. All right, that was the last call of the day for me. I'm heading home, and then I'm heading off to the airport. I'm flying to South Carolina to meet up with a plumbing contractor out there. He's got a fairly large operation. I'm gonna get some video. We're scouting out to expand down south. Mikey Pipes and Pipe Doctor. We're coming down south. Are you guys ready? I am. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. And just a quick little reminder, 20,000 subscribers. We're literally right around the corner. And I have a new corporate sponsor of the channel and who is going to be donating the money for the giveaways. We're going to give away a bunch of Milwaukee gear and tools. Stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss it. All right. Let me get your thoughts and feedback on this job in the comment section down below. Make sure you thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much. Be well. God bless.